If you have a problem of this kind, when you're trying to start the car and it starts and everything, but then it dies, and then when you keep the gas pedal, it keeps going. Once you let go of the gas, it just chokes, but everything else seems working fine. And I'll show you what the problem is and how to fix it. So first, let's show you how it sounds. See, it won't even start. And then I'll give gas. That's when I'm holding gas. And it seems like it's working just fine. But once I let go of the gas, it just died. Again, I'll show you. Go here, unplug minus or either one, the battery. Let it sit for a while. So I guess that will reset any sensors that you have. Put it back on.